The Utica Community Schools District is placing resource officers at Utica and Eisenhower High Schools. Part of an ongoing partnership with the Shelby Township Police Department, these officers will be assigned to local high schools on days when school is in session. District in-house security specialists currently assigned at high schools are going to support junior high and elementary school buildings in Shelby Township. And today, the Utica high school student charged with making a threat was in court.
Timothy Evans is charged with making a terrorist threat. Our Priya man spoke to Evans's attorney, who says this situation has just spiraled out of control.
18-year-old Timothy Evans hasn't been back in school since being charged with making a threat of terrorism. He was in court briefly today with his mom. His attorneys say the allegations against Evans have been exaggerated.
Very simply, there is a major difference between stupidity and criminality.
Wearing a dark suit and flanked by his lawyers, Timothy Evans faced a judge. The senior is accused of making a credible threat against Utica High School.
We want the entire public to know is that at no time whatsoever was there any danger, physical danger, to any student at Utica School or for any other school for that matter.
His lawyers say the teen posted a video on Snapchat handling a starter pistol.
I don't think anything that he ever expected himself or his family would go through.
The deputy chief says when Shelby Township Police searched Evans' home, they found multiple firearms and replicas as well as ammunition. Police became aware of the social media post earlier this month after students and Evans' classmates came forward.
Kudos to the parents of the young students who went out there and said they saw something. I mean, that's obviously what we want in the society, but what we have to be careful of is that we don't start going down that slippery slope where we start overcharging.
The teen was arrested hours after police were tipped and later charged with making a terrorist threat. The Macomb County prosecutor says calling a threat a prank or a joke is not a valid defense. Evan remains on a tether and under house arrest. He'll be back in court in April. Reporting from Shelby Township, I'm Priya Mann, Local 4.
Okay, Priya, and if convicted, Evans could face up to 20 years in prison. As more Metro Detroit teens face charges for threats of terrorism, we cannot say this enough. Officials are urging parents to talk with their children.